Hello, welcome to my channel again.
Oh my God. This is bad, as we Jamaicans would say.
Cut the top of the pineapple off. Then core the inside. Be careful not to puncture the cup. That's the side of the pineapple. Cut the centerpiece out of the pineapple. That's the heart. Put some pineapple chunks in the blender. Add ice, about half cup of ice. 1 ounce white rum. 2 ounce coconut cream. And 3 ounces pineapple juice. Well, I'll add a little more rum. Then you blend. Pour into the pineapple cup. Garnish with straw, parasail, and the cherry cover. And taste.
One more.